day children, Sai Ram. Welcome to EVS class. Kids, in our last session we have seen about some seasons. Yes, so today also we'll do the revision first of all the seasons and then we are going to solve one activity, okay, related to this chapter. So let's start. Our chapter is Weathers and Seasons. Our earth has a layer of air around it. Changes in this layer of air make a place hot or cold, wet or dry. The condition of a air of a place at particular time is called weather. Now you all know what is called weather. Yes, the condition of air of a place at a particular time is known as weather. Yes. Now let's see what are seasons. The weather of a place is not the same every day. It keeps on changing. Yes or no? Weather keeps on changing. When a place has the same weather for a long time, it is known as the climate of that place. Yes, we have already seen this in our previous class that when the weather is same for a longer period of time for a particular place, if the weather is same for a longer period of time, it is known as the climate of that place. Okay, now let's see what are seasons. Some months in a year are hot and some months are cold. Some months are dry and during some months it rains a lot. These are called seasons. There are 5 main seasons in India. They are summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. Now see kids, we have already seen the seasons. Yes, in the last chapter we have already seen the seasons. So one more time we'll revise the seasons. Okay. So let's start. The first season is summer. Summer is the hottest season. The sun is brightest and hottest during summer. We wear light colored cotton cloths and enjoy having cool drinks. Mangoes and melons are summer fruits. Yes. Now in summer we feel very hot. Yes. So we wear light colored cloths, cotton cloths, and which fruit we eat in summer? Mangoes and watermelons. Okay. Now we'll talk about the next season, that is monsoon. In India, the rainy season is known as monsoon. This is the wettest season of the year. All the rivers and ponds are filled with water. We wear raincoats and use umbrellas when it rains. Yes, we have already studied this. Yes, monsoon season is known as rainy season. Yes, and in rainy season all rivers and ponds are filled with water. And what we wear in rainy season? We wear raincoats and we use umbrellas. Yes, and after monsoon season, which season comes? Autumn. Okay, it is the season after the monsoon and before winter. It is a peasant season and is neither too hot nor too cold. Trees shade their leaves in this season. Now autumn season comes after monsoon and before winter. Okay, after monsoon and before winter, which season comes? Autumn season. And the climate in this season is peasant. Peasant means we will not feel too hot or too cold. Okay, and trees mostly in this season, trees shade their leaves. Shade means dried leaves are fallen down. Okay, from the trees dried leaves are fallen down. Okay, now after autumn season, which season comes? Winter season. Winter is the coldest season. The sun is very strong. A cold wind blows during winter. Days and nights are cooler. We wear woolen clothes during this season. Yes or no? In winter season, we wear woolen clothes and the climate is very cool. Yes? Now, after winter season, which season comes? Let's see. After winter season, spring season comes. This is the season between winter and summer. Okay? And usually flower blooms in this season. New leaves starts growing on trees during this season. And this season comes, when this season comes after winter and before summer. Okay? Now kids, we have done the revision of seasons. Okay? Now let's move on to the activity part. Okay? Now before starting the activity, one more thing I have to explain you, that is our daily life also get affected by changes in the season. Yes or no? Changes in season changes our activities, food and clothing as well. Yes or no? Yes? Changes in the season brings changes in our daily life. Yes? When it rains, we use raincoat. Our food style also change. Yes? When we feel cold, we wear woolen clothes. Yes? In winter season, okay, and in summer season, we wear light cotton cloths, light color cotton cloths. Yes? So, changes in the season also affects our life. Yes. So, let's move on to the activity part. Okay, we'll see the first activity, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, there are dash season in India. Now just tell me, we have studied about this. There are dash seasons in India. How many seasons are there? Summer, yes, summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. So total how many seasons? 5 seasons. There are 5 seasons in India. Okay. Second question. Summer is the dash season. Summer is the dash season. How we feel in summer? We feel cold or we feel hot? Yes, we feel hot. So summer is the hottest season. Summer is the hottest season. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Dash is the wettest season of the year. Which is the wettest season? Yes, correct. Monsoon. That means rainy. Monsoon season is the wettest season of the year. Okay. Now question number 4. Dash is the coldest season. Which is the coldest season? Yes, winter. Winter is the coldest season. Which is the coldest season? Dash is the coldest season. Which is the coldest season? Winter. Okay. Now let's move on to the next questions. True or false, right? True or false. Now by reading the statements, you have to just tell me whether the statement is true or false. First, there are 3 seasons in India. Is it true? No. So the statement is false. Second question. The rainy season in India is known as monsoon. Yes, rainy season is also known as monsoon season. So this statement is true. Okay. Now next question. Our daily life get affected by change in the season. Yes, is the statement is true? Yes, it is true. By change in the season, our life get affected? Yes, we have to change according to the change in the season. Yes, this statement is true. Next question. Trees shed their leaves in monsoon season. Yes, the statement is true. No, the statement is false. In autumn season, trees shed their leaves, not in monsoon season. Okay, now let's move on to the next questions. Answer the following. How many seasons are there in India? Just tell me. Yes, correct. There are 5 seasons in India. Yes. How many seasons are there in India? There are 5 seasons in India. Okay. Next question. Which season comes after the rainy season? Can anyone tell me? Which season? Yes. Which season? Autumn. Autumn comes after the rainy season. Autumn comes after the rainy season. Which season comes after the rainy? Autumn comes after the rainy season. Okay. Next question. Which is the season comes after the winter? Yes, correct. Spring comes after the winter season. Which season comes after the winter season? Spring comes after the winter season. Now kids, we have seen some of these activity questions. Now what you will do? You will write down these activity questions in your EVS notebook. Okay? In your EVS notebook, you will write down this, fill in the blanks, true or false, and answer the following. Okay? On the top, you will write the lesson name, that is weathers and season, and then you will start writing this activity questions. Okay? And please practice this. We'll see one new chapter in next period. Till then, thank you.